In this video, I'm going to show you how to populate Wikipedia into your Google Earth Pro interface so that when you're looking at areas, you can actually see a link to some of the Wikipedia information to it, which is really cool when you're exploring areas. So if you go over to your Layers tab, you're just going to want to go down to where it says More. There's a little yellow sticky note there. And then you're just going to want to slide down to the Wikipedia button. And now you're going to click on that. It'll take just a second, but then it'll start to load everything up for you. And as you can see here, you're going to have these little Wikipedia art icons come up for these different areas. I'm just in California, and I'm just going to click on this right here, and it's going to give me all the Wikipedia links right here. There's going to be some images if they have them. Same over here. Yep, really cool stuff. So definitely helpful whenever you are exploring places and you want to know more about them. Very cool. This is the Redwood National and State Parks. Very neat. So just a very cool educational tool, a neat way to use Google Earth Pro, and really helpful learning resource all around. So I hope this is helpful to you and that this tutorial was easy enough for you. Just go ahead and like this video if you liked it and it helped you out, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.